Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing and review of this portable labeler made by Dymo. So the brand name is Label Manager 160. Let's start by opening the box. Okay, so what's inside is the labeler itself. Let's see this. And in the middle, yeah, you might throw this away, but always open the box all throughout. So in the middle is the cartridge that you're going to use. This one is 1/2 inch by 12 millimeter only. And because this is just a sample of the cartridge, so they only provided 12 millimeter. What's inside is also the quick start guide. So this is how you open the back, where you put the cartridge here. As you can see, I open it like this. There's a groove here. And now, let's see. So take it off. This is the sticker. Make sure that this is flat. And then close it. This is the size cartridge D1. This is the cutter. Your sticker will come out here, and just press the cutter. I will use my rechargeable batteries. 6 pieces. So just follow the sign, positive sign. As you all know, this is the positive side of the battery, negative. Because I know it's very basic to know that this is positive and this is negative, but of course you never know. Someone might be watching this who don't know how to put the battery correctly, and most of the time, if this is the negative, you can see a spring like this. It's always the direction. Just close it, and again, this is where you insert your cartridge. Open it like this. The initial position of the sticker is here, but after I insert the battery, it went up. Maybe to avoid the clog of this sticker. And then we can turn it on. So there's a language selection first. There's Espanol, English. Yes, the EST. Of course, I will just select English. Next will be the length, or this is the size of the cartridge. So you can see here it is 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2. So as you can see here, you have 1/2 or 12 millimeter. How long is your cartridge? Is 10 feet or 3 meters. So I will select 1/2. You can buy this 3/8 size or 1/4 also with different colors, but the sample that I have is 1/2 and 10 feet. Using this QWERTY style keypad, press G8, and if you press B, it will be on bold. I, your letters will be on italic, and this one is to underline. And also for borders that you want, like oval, ribbon, or box. And then this one is for vertical printout. This is good for I think binders or all the things that you want to see that way. And let's see the size. So cycles through sizes 16, 20, 24, 8. So those are the sizes that you can use. 8, 10, 12, 16, 20, 24. So 8 to 24 only. So that's the font size when you're using your computer, like your on Microsoft Word, maybe on the keynote. Okay. And then anyway, I bought this for my son, so I will put his name now. So Clark space, this is the space, N. Again, N. Okay, special character button here. And let's see. Space. My son is already grade 1. And this is how you change to caps lock. Again, I'll repeat this. And small letter, oops, L-A-R-K space, big letter again, and then that one, space, and then grade 1. Grade 1. Let's try first with the biggest, 24. And this one goes box. It's box, and I'll make it a bold. And yeah. You can, if you press the menu, you select for symbols or clip art. Let's see the symbols. So symbols are like, this is the shortcut of this one, or the long cut. And then let's see the clip art. Okay, nice. There's a lot of clip art here. Maybe this is for email, phone number, maybe work address, book, is it a book, mailbox, time, maybe medical appointment or something, file, folder, mouse, and then here's the label width. So let's go inside so you can see the width is 1/2. And then again, when you want to toggle from here to here, let's press the menu, and then language, label width. So these are the two. And okay, so okay, let's try to print this now. And this is the print button. Right, and then cut. Okay. So this one push forward, and let's do it one more, and let's see what will happen, because this one forwarded when I turn it on. So let's see what will happen if you do it again. So here, as you can see, so this will be the length whenever you print out. I think this is a waste of of your cartridge. Like if this one is something like here, same same thickness here with the space, and like this, I think this is nice. But overall, this is nice, and it can be removed like this way, like cut in the middle, so it's easy to peel off. Same thing here at the bottom, here. Overall, for the function that I need, this works. I think I bought this for 35 or 36 Canadian dollars. And the cartridge, you can buy 2 rolls of 24 feet each for $36. But if you check on Amazon, there's not the original one. You can buy $18 for 5 pieces of 24 feet, so that's a lot. And for this one, for the AC adapter, which can be bought separately, it's 9 volt and 2 amperes. Yeah, and this is where your paper will come out here. Good, this is a nice thing that you can see whatever inside. Like for example, you need a transparent, you can see it from here. So black is the ink and white is the background. Or you want to know how thick or the width of the paper. This is 1/2 inch, you can see. They also have 3/8 and 1/4. Yep. They also have, I think, the other one. I don't know what that model is, but it's a rechargeable one and can be working, and you can update the font style that you need. I think this is a good product for what I intended to use. So again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.